3, 2, 1.
向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。
2, 1.
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせよ。ほほう。
Hello guys, welcome to Ramp Hobbies, and today it's Dynamite unboxing time. So we're going to unbox this
Tagara Tommy
B180 Dynamite Belial. Okay, so this is the newest Beyblade for the new battle system, the Dynamite battle system or the DB system. The owner of this Beyblade is Bell and this is the new box. By the way, the side here you can see the two modes, the high mode and the low mode. And these are the parts. Belial, Dynamite, the armor is 2. Do you call this disc? Disc is Nexus and the driver is Venture. And as you can see here, we will have future upgrades for Dynamite Belial. Like for example, the DB Fafnir part or the Spriggan armor. So we're really excited for that upgrades in the future. Okay, hold on. We are going to use cutter and scissors, and as we always say, warning, extremely dangerous. So when using any sharp objects, make sure you have your parents with you or you have an adult supervision because these are very sharp and you might get hurt.
Yes, get hurt.
So without further ado, let's open the box. Do you have a rare version of this Beyblade? I'm not sure. Let us know in the comments.
This one is the rare version.
By the way, this is the special version. We unboxed the...
Where is the special version Nexus, Dad?
And battle entry set last time.
Battle entry set version and...
Okay, so this is the stickers. Let's open this also. Okay, so this one looks very cool.
It looks like the sticker.
Okay, this is the Dynamite Battle customized guide. Just check it yourself, guys. And this is Who's That Beyblade? This is Fafnir, right? DB Fafnir?
It's...
DB Fafnir. Random Booster Volume 25. We will unbox our Random Booster Volume 25 soon. Okay, so the DB Bay Stadium is larger than the regular stadium. And the slope is a little bit different. This is the
small slope and then it has a
guide in Japanese.
giant slope.
Okay, and the sticker guide also. Oh.
Yeah, here.
Here is the sticker. Hold on, there you go. Oh, don't throw this. We will put the stickers later. Okay, so here it is. Low mode. Then you need to unlock this, and while unlocking you can push it. There you go. Then this is the armor. To make it low mode, just put it above the armor. I mean, put the armor above, and then
I'm really excited
put the Belial. I mean, yeah, Belial here.
And it looks like this for now on. See?
Hold on,
Looks
then
the same,
lock
but
it.
this one's big.
There you go. By the way, this is the Nexus. You can actually put this one on limit break system Beyblades like Super Hyper. I mean Hyperion Burn.
Or in
And this one is the
heavy
Venture.
systems.
Hold on, so focusing on Venture. I think
Wow!
based on our testing, I think this one is actually really good and might actually see competitive play.
And this one is light.
Okay, so there you go, low mode. And let's look at the high mode there now. Unlock. When you're on the low mode, push this below. Get the armor. Put it here. Put back the... Okay, there you go, the core. Dynamite core. First Venture. I mean yeah, Venture.
Is that the Dynamite core? You mean Dynamite disc?
There you go. Currently in low mode. How many stars? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will just put the stickers and let's do the test spin and test battles.
Oh yeah!
Okay, we will just weight these three parts and compare it with sparking parts. So this one is 26.1. Mirage is 11. Because I think the weight is in the chassis for sparking Beyblades. 14.8. Rage is the heaviest, 17.5. This is actually 30 plus, so 30.7. The chassis is 45.2. So what we can do is let's weight this together. So 56.9. 56.9. So it's heavier than Fafnir Plus 2S. But I guess that's actually on the light side, 59.2. This one is 61.8. How about the driver? 7.8, so this one is actually above average. 6.4, 6.6, 6.8. Let's check the weight for the complete combo. Okay, so the weight is 64.7. As you can see, this is actually average, or actually it's actually sorry for saying actually many times. This is 63.1 because Mirage combo is actually very light. 65.9. This one should be the heaviest of these four. This one is 68.6. Okay, let's do battle with these Beyblades. Let's do it now. Okay, so our first opponent is Brave Valkyrie.
First, I'm going to use slow mo.
Okay, good. Ready? 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the stadium is actually very large
And wide.
and I think it's good for the stamina type or defense type Beyblades, but for attack type,
Because it's humongous.
you actually need to use Rush Launch. Winner is Dynamite Belial. Let's do another one. Okay, again, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh man, it's not eating Dynamite Belial. It will lose stamina. Yes. Brave! No, it's already slow. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh man, attack type for this stadium will really have a hard time hitting the opponent.
Yes. Smaller stadiums are even good for attack type base.
No, but I think
It has 3
they will soon use this in tournaments. I think this will actually affect the combo building.
Man.
3-0. Okay, so this is Rage Longings. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, ring at finish. Winner is Rage. So, Rage is the strongest sparking lineup Beyblade. Let's do another one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Ring out!
Cause the
Seriously?
blades exploded and then
One. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Nice hit.
I can see the walls.
Who's going to win?
Upper!
Oh, go Rage! Seriously? Oh man, seriously? First DB system Beyblade, and it actually can already beat Rage. Epic. Okay, next opponent is Mirage of Nier. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! By the way, this stadium only have to ring out packets. So it will, I'm not sure one. It will really be hard for Attack 5 Beyblades for my own opinion only. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm not sure one again, but it's doing good against Mirage. Okay, again, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice hits! You can actually see that nothing is bouncing in the stadium. Oh. It's going to win! Okay, so it's either a draw or Dynamite Belial actually won against Mirage. Okay, so this time, Brave versus High Mode, Dynamite Belial. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Nexus Impacto!
By the way, low mode seems to be better than high mode currently, but I think it's not. It's actually doing good on high mode. But let's see if we can get the upgrade in the future. Winner is Brave. Next battle is with Rage Longinus. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Seriously, raging? Over! Oh, seriously? Oh man, that's insane! Mirage Fafnir. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mirage Claw! Go! Oh, nice battle, nice battle. Okay guys, honest review. Epic battle. Honest review with Dynamite Belial. It's actually very strong. I mean
I want to get the next.
hold on. The stunt combo actually was able to beat Rage Longinus and the other sparking Beyblades.
I wish I can burst Rage Longinus.
Even using high mode or low mode, it's actually very strong. Imagine getting the upgrades in the future, guys. So by the way, if you're looking to buy Dynamite Belial and other DB Beyblade products, you can buy on Hobby DG. They actually sell many toys, including Beyblade products, and they ship internationally. I'll just put the link in the description below. Like the video, comment below, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.